Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a new video for you. In this video, I'm going to show you modern wardrobe design ideas for your living room. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Please like and share this video with your friends and also subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Dear viewers, one of the most important factors that decides wardrobe design is the size and layout of the room. This will determine how big the wardrobe can be and where you will place it. It will also decide whether the room can have a walk-in, niche or stand-alone wardrobe with hinge or sliding shutters. You should also have a basic idea of the material used in bedroom and finishes available in the market. For an efficient bedroom designs, take stock of what kind of storage is required. This will help you choose the best model. For example, you might need more hanging space for suits and coats. In some cases, shelves and drawers might be better suited to your needs. Determine whether you need more hanging space or more stacking space. Also keep in mind the height of the clothes that need to be hung. Some people prefer shelves over drawers and vice versa. Keep in mind that for items like undergarments, socks, belts, watches and jewelry, drawers are easier to use. Kids usually do not require too much hanging space, and this section should be placed near to the lower half so that they can reach the road. On the other hand, drawers on the lower half might be a better idea for elderly people so that they do not have to bend to reach items. For kids, you might also need external drawers for storing extra like toys, games, school materials, and books so that the wardrobe does not have to be opened each time. Choose a design that complements your room's aesthetics. Options range from modern and minimalistic to traditional and ornate. Wardrobes can be made from various materials like wood, particle board, or metal. Choose a material that suits your preferences and budget. Decide on the type of doors: sliding, hinged, or open shelves. Sliding doors save space, while hinged doors provide a classic look. Incorporate interior lighting to help you see and organize your items better, especially in darker corners. If you have unique storage needs, consider custom-built wardrobes to maximize space and flexibility.